Good morning mga parts. Another busy day. Ano Julius? Kumain ka na?
Hindi ako nakatulog siya.
Normal yun. Hindi ka naman bumarek? Ah, okay. Yung mga boys natin, oh. Yung mga boys. Okay. So today we will be opening the CF Moto flagship store here sa Lipa. Experience more together. So this is the first flagship store na bubuksan, I think, sa buong Pilipinas. So tingnan nyo naman, oh, kompleto. Oh, negotiation tables. So medyo iba yung concept nila. Ayan, so solo tayo dito. Walang tao. Ayan. So everything is set. They will be selling here all types of motorcycles, from scooters, EVs, big bikes, and four wheels. That includes the ATV, UTV, and side-by-side. Pero walang side-by-side sa ngayon. Yan, yun. Ganda. So yan, kompleto lahat ng motorsiklo dito. Even apparels. There you go. Meron sila ditong mga goodies. Helmets kasama na rin. Ayan, itong mga cups na to. Pati na rin yung mga special beer. Wow. 8-4. And then gloves, special gloves, caps from CF Moto mismo, apparels, and of course meron din accessories. Ayan, so kompleto. These are the naked bikes. There you go. So tara, this will be a very busy day. So we are preparing na for the grand opening. Yan, stage set up, demo maghapon, and then party mamaya to celebrate the grand opening of the CF Moto flagship Lipa. So tara, ikot ko muna kayo. Sige, tara, labas tayo. Shadow, good morning. What's up? Ganda na jersey mo. Ayan, so currently nagsa-stage setup na. Mamaya niyan sobrang ingay na sa dami ng sound system. So we just finished the orientation para sa aming morning activity, which is demo day. So this will be a fun-filled day. Makapagsubok nga ng mga motorsiklo ng CF Moto. Lalo yung ATV, di pa ako nakasubok na, no? Subok tayo mamaya. And ikot na rin tayo. Wow! Sal, diba? Yan, mag-e-bike tayo mamaya. Pero matagal ko na itong gustong subukan. Helmet na tayo. And we will be trying some of the bikes ng CF Moto. Ito, Papio Trail, oh. Siyempre, kung Papio Trail yan, tagal ko na gusto subukan to. Siyempre, kung Papio Trail yan, ay, hindi to trail. Yung sports ito. Ayos din. Ayos din. Sports, mini sports bike. Ito pwedeng pang banking oh. Huwag masyado mag-enjoy at baka oy. Ayos din. Okay, ATV naman tayo. Hindi ko pa nasusubukan yan. Ito 450, ito 520. Sige nga.
450 short.
450 short. Anong pagkakaiba ng short tsaka long?
One seaters, two seaters.
Ah, 2-seater to. Ayan kas. Sige. Paano to? All-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive din tayo.
2-wheel drive lang tayo kasi ano lang naman.
Tapos, ito pa.
Start. Yun. Tapos,
Yung
acceleration.
ito pa. Cardio. Upper preno. And then, low, high gear.
Preno likod, preno harap. Tapos, high, neutral, low.
Oh.
Reverse,
Reverse,
park. Okay. Oh.
Habang tumatakbo, huwag ka mag-shift po.
Okay, habang tumatakbo, wag mag-shift. Thank you. So, reverse. Oh. Wah. Oyo. Tara, angkas. Gusto mo mangkas? Angkas na, tara sa kayo. Subok lang. Yun ang kakaiba. So ang throttle nasa gilid. Nakapag-try na rin naman tayo ng ATV, pero medyo matagal-tagal na. Ito, makakasubok ulit. At gagamitin pa natin sa off-road. Ayan, pasok tayo dito sa truck natin. Kaya ba? Kaya. Ang laki naman kasi nito. Yun o. Pwede pa mag-jump. Oh, jump tayo, jump. Wag. Okay, pataas. Pababa. Whoops. 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 Ano power din? Wah! Ah! 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 O diba? Wah! Saya! Okay. Ay! Saya oh! Okay! Ayos! Nice experience! Okay! Ang saya pre! Ay, subukan nyo, ang saya! nandito pa rin tayo sa Motorrad Alley pa. Ayan, kung saan nandito rin yung Enlife Furniture Park. Preparing busy day, pero kailangan mo natin mag-coffee. Okay, mamaya subukan natin ibang bike ulit. Ang balita ako, masaya daw yung EV, pero masaya yung ATV. Subukan nyo, masaya. Ayan, marunong ka niyan, brother. So, it's about lunch time na. Pasimple na tayo ng kain. Ang busy na. So, ang dami na mga guests. Sige! Test ride! Kaya mga tropa natin, oh. Brother, test ride, suggestion ATV. Masaya yung ATV. Mukhang laruan, oh. Tropa natin yan. Oh, solid na tropa yan. Okay, mga parts. I think it's around 2 PM na. So continuous pa rin yung mga test ride sa area natin. And sa ngayon, busy na. So, kailangan ko ng kape. Oo nga, in fairness, natawa nga ako. Tapos ngayon nakapausap-usap pang gano'n, no? Actually, pwede ka na nga magpa-concert na ditong ganyan eh. Mga ganda na stage na. Diba? Ganda na stage. So, time check, it's around 3 PM. And so busy pa rin dito. Check out natin yung ating adventure park. Woo! What? Yun ang literal na eat my dust. Kagaling. Kagilas. Diba? Pa-jump.
Our drum speeders, please proceed to technical area. One representative from our drum speeders, please proceed to technical area.
Pa-start na tayo! Ano, kumusta ka?
Nice man.
Good. Alright, so in a few minutes we will be starting na. So yan, busy na lahat. Ako busy din, pero nakasingit pa mag-vlog. Punta na tayo sa tech booth para sa ating sabi-sabi, sir! Diba? Daming tropa.
Pangarap mo't makamit
hindi pa grand opening pero ang dami ng tao.
Ask everyone to please proceed in front of our store as we will start our program in 2 minutes.
Diba, busy!
Everyone to please proceed in the front of our store as we are about to start our program.
Congratulations! Congratulations po. Sa atin.
My name is Jeff Opulento and I'm honored to co-host with someone not only a powerhouse performer but also a proud CF Moto brand ambassador known for his incredible...
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Coach Jeff. Good evening, everyone. In the South Luzon. What a beautiful day, as you can tell. It didn't rain so much,
Yes.
but it's still a beautiful day. We've got our guests, riders.
Board of Director and Miss Maria Angela Mojares Katigbag, Assistant Vice President.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first CF Moto flagship store in the South Luzon is now officially open.
Brought to you by New Nemar Corporation and CF Moto Philippines. May we request our executives to please remain in your booths for another photo op.
Amang makapagkalinga, loobin mong maging bukas palad kaming lagi sa mga kapuspalad, dukha at sawi. Iniluluhog namin
Sapagkat lubha kang maawain. May this store be blessed with prosperity, success, and happiness for everyone who walks in and out of these doors.
Now it's time for one of our favorite traditions, the showering of coins and candies. We are now witnessing the showering of coins and candies, which symbolizes prosperity, joy, and good fortune. May we invite Ma'am Jella and Sir Michael to proceed to the service area.
Yeah, we have something special for everybody. Come outside, come outside. We have Mr. George Fu, Southeast Asian Product Manager.
And from CF Moto Philippines, the multi-awarded actor in Philippines theater and proud Nemar ambassador, Mr. JC Santos.
Yeah!
And also with us tonight is Mr. Jojit Lorenzo, a valued part of our Nemar family and the man behind many of our amazing photos.
And we also have our partners, vloggers, riders, and guests joining us tonight. We welcome all of you tonight. Give yourselves a round of applause, everybody.
Never morning, everyone. What a milestone this is for New Nemar Corporation, for Motorrad Ali Lipa, for CF Moto, and for every rider here with us today. First, allow me to welcome our guests from CF Moto China. Here, every lane and corner celebrates a shared culture, the early morning rides, the tambike talks, and friendships born on the road. This is Inclusive Ground, a space that welcomes first-timers, families, kids, and seasoned riders alike.
A brand that riders now proudly call their own. This is more than just a store. It's a symbol of martyrship, progress, and passion. Partnership. Because great success is always shared.
Presented to New Nemar Corporation for opening the first CF Moto flagship store located at Motorrad Ali Lipa, General Luna Street, Barangay Pilahan, Sabang, Lipa City. Given this 25th day of October 2025.
We can't wait to experience more together. Welcome to the new Nemar family and cheers to Nemar CF Moto flagship store Lipa.
They're all proud of.
Yay!
Allow me to introduce the passionate team behind CF Moto flagship Lipa.
Our associates, please join us. Coach Mel.
Make him go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make him go you're gonna leave him all in You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time, you know you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go you're gonna leave 'em all in Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you worth. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky.
Incredible display! Bakit kaya kayo pili ang dami ng
Alright, dinner na so far. Very successful ang ating event. For sure may inuman yan mamaya. Sige, ikot lang muna tayo.
We would like to recognize our friends from the media and our vloggers. Thank you for... Okay, let's also welcome Trucker Live from Mindanao. Congratulations, Ma'am Nobilin. Ayan na, coming this up.
Lahat ng gustong tumama ng motor o mag-uwi ng motor, magpalakpakan! Good morning everyone! As we close today's celebration, we want to thank CF Moto Philippines for their trust and partnership. Thank you also to UNMR, our partners, riding groups, media friends, and everyone who came and made this day extra special. CF Moto flagship store in the South is just the beginning. We are excited.
And now on time! Lahat ng ating mga guests, let's all dance! Keep us the dance floor! Pangunahan mo, Sir Andy! We will see you
Sabi, pare, wagas na sa'yo.
Hindi,
ayos pa ako. Pag-ihi. Nakasada. Patro.
The moment we have for the honor in awarding our grand prize to the winner. Napalapakan natin, Sir Boy, Ma'am John, Ma'am Michelle, and Sir Mel. Ready na ba kayong lahat? Pwede ko bang marinig ang masigabong palakpakan? Get ready! Ayan na! Mukhang ano to ah. Eto na! Siguradong magiging masaya ka! Congratulations to Tagalipa City!
Boomba, 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 boomba. So that's a wrap for tonight. And so yan ang mga parts. It's been a really successful night. Pagka-pack up na kami, siguro pabarik pa ng bahagya. There you go. CF Moto flagship Lipa. Packing up. Last man standing. Checking na lang. That's it for today mga pards. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang video natin today. At lagi natin tatandaan, kilig man sa kotse o sa motor, bakit ka pa pipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both.